It's Military Minds, the Rolling Barrage. Here's the skinny. It's about 3:30 right now, Mountain Time. The Rolling Barrage, they left Halifax, oh man, I think it was on the 4th of August. And today is the 18th, 19th? I think we're gonna go with the 19th. Here we're at the George in Okotoks. But this place will be just crazy in the next half hour.
The support we get from Okotoks is phenomenal. They line the streets, you know, the average people are just out there, you know, giving it their all, right? They're waving flags and hooting and hollering, and that really brings the morale up of the people on the ride. So yeah, it's fantastic here.
Well, our men and women of uniform have put their lives on the line for everything that we hold dear as Canadians. Our values, our democracy, our freedoms, and for many years we have just not understood the impact that PTSD has had on our servicemen and women. And I think this is extremely important for us to raise awareness and to educate Canadians about the impact that their service has had on their lives, their families, their post-service careers. And I think events and initiatives like the Rolling Barrage are doing a fantastic job of raising that awareness in a positive way.
This ride, which started a couple weeks ago in Halifax, is coming right across all provinces, right through Canada, stopping in Okotoks, of course, today, which is absolutely awesome. And this is all to promote and raise funds for PTSD and those veterans, first responders, and so on who might be suffering the effects, those negative, horrible effects.
It's community. That's what the ride's about. It's about, you know, continuing the community more so than just vets and first responders. It's all of us. So it's working really well. So, and it shines no better than right here in Okotoks.